Greetings from Tree Island in the Bronx. Here is a walking tour of Pelham Bay Park to Tree Island. And as you approach the island, it's pretty easy to see that there are more than 2 trees. Most likely a name given to the island when it just popped up. But how does one get to the just popped up island? Well, this is the last stop on the 6 train. And then you take the BX12 bus to Orchard Beach. And as you can see, we actually are on an island when it is high tide. Right now, we are connected to the area that is known as Orchard Beach. When the water rush is over, that could actually make this an island. Speaking of islands, there is Hart Island, a rather dark history for New York. One that would look into if they have a friend or a family member that came to New York that they were unable to track. They may be located on Hart Island. But back to Tree Island, with obviously more than 2 trees. So if you come to Tree Island and it is low tide, it's very easy to walk up to the island. But then when you are going home, just make sure that it is not high tide. I have never heard of anyone being stuck onto Tree Island, but it could be quite less easy to get home if the island of more than 2 trees, known as Tree Island, is surrounded by water. And one of the things that I love about Tree Island is when you are here, the quiet sanctuary aspect is very present. But when you look across the way, you see that folks are somewhere in Pelham Bay Park enjoying a sunset with the sunlight behind them. Super smart, no sunburn for those folks, and you'll see them fishing with the light behind them. Okay, a little bit more. We're almost done. This is all of Tree Island. Again, more than 2 trees, but one amazing view. There once was a sign that actually stood here for Tree Island, which is not here, but maybe the New York City Parks Department will return that sign. If they do, it would be in these rocks, and that is your entrance to Tree Island. Till next time, I'm about to jump in the water, enjoy some time in the beautiful borough of the BXNY. Till next time, from Pelham Bay Park in the Bronx. Happy summer.